In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get it set up, use it while you write, apply helpful corrections, and give your work a final polish. First, install Grammarly on the device or browser you use most. If you prefer writing online, add the Grammarly extension to your browser from the official store. Then follow the prompts to complete the installation. If you work on your desktop, download the app from Grammarly's website and run the installer. On mobile, you can install the Grammarly keyboard from your app store. After installation, make sure the extension or app is enabled. In a browser, it helps to pin the Grammarly icon so it's easy to find, and grant any permissions it requests so it can check your writing on supported sites. Next, sign into your Grammarly account. Open the extension, app, or keyboard and log in with your credentials. If you're prompted to confirm preferences like your English dialect, choose the one you use most consistently. Once you're signed in, Grammarly is ready to work wherever it's supported. Now, write your text in any compatible app or website. This could be an email, a document, a post, or a form. As you type, Grammarly quietly analyzes your writing and highlights potential issues. You'll typically see underlines where it spots a spelling error, grammar slip, punctuation issue, or something that could be clearer. Don't worry if you don't act on them immediately. You can keep your flow and return to them after finishing your draft. When you're ready, apply suggestions by clicking or tapping the underlined words or phrases. A small card will explain the issue and offer a correction. If it looks right, accept it with one click. If the suggestion doesn't fit your style or intent, you can dismiss it. You can also view brief explanations to learn why a change is recommended, which is handy for improving over time. If you make a change and don't like it, use Undo to revert. Finally, review your work before sending or submitting it. Read through your text from start to finish to make sure the tone matches your goal and everything flows naturally. Double-check details like dates, numbers, and any specialized terms. If anything still looks off, place your cursor there and see if Grammarly has an alternative suggestion. A careful final pass ensures your message is clear, polished, and ready to share. That's it. Install, sign in, write, apply suggestions, and review. You're all set to use Grammarly with confidence.